So you like to remove an actual passcode from the Windows 11. So tired of typing a passcode every time you wake up to your PC? I actually get it. So just heads up, because removing your passcode means anyone with physical access to your PC can see your files. If you're okay with that, let's start with the local account method. Now the local account method, first of all, let's sign in into our PC. Let's go and open that. Let's have access directly into your user's profile. So if you use a local account, this is going to be really easy, because here you have this element that says the settings. And directly here into the settings, you want to go directly into the sign in options. If you don't find the sign in options, usually it will be appearing into the privacy or security. And once you are in here, you can look out for the sign in options. If you don't find it, if it's going to be changed, you can go for the option that says sign in. So here I have the sign in requirements. Click into the option that says the actual passcodes or the security key, for example, and you can change the click up into signing elements. For example, usually the pen Windows Hello signing with the pin recommended. You can change the actual key or the security key, which actually appears a lot. Now I'm going to type the word password. Let's see something else. For example, you can manage some network passcodes or manage some Windows credentials, create a passcode reset disk, or manage some web credentials. When I click directly inside here, I have my Windows credentials, but I can see that I have generic credentials that I can be changing those later. For example, I select this one. Here's my actual passcode, and I can edit it or remove it. Just as that. Just as easy as that. Now, this passcode is gone. The next time you boot up, you go straight directly to your desktop. Now, the second method, for example, is to go for your Microsoft account. In my case, I already have an actual Microsoft account. So basically what I need to do, of course, is that you can technically delete the passcode because it's tied to the cloud. But we can make Windows to log in for you automatically. So very important, scroll down to the additional settings and turn off the toggle that says only allow Windows Hello sign in. So basically here, what I can do, for example, it says passkeys. I select that element and I delete the specific passkeys, right? So this is, for example, for people who have only Microsoft already been attached to it. And into the sign in options, it usually have, for example, the facial recognition. In my case, it's not available into my country, but here, for example, there is a fingerprint recognition. Once again, this is not available into my country or even into my laptop. But for example, here I can remove the sign in option, so I no longer have to be using that. And there we go. Actually, it's going to be really simple. So uncheck the box at the toggle that says apply. A box will pop up that's your full Microsoft email and your passcode, and you're actually good to go. Or what you can do is to go directly into your account and go and scroll all the way down in order to delete your actual account. In this case, well, not delete, but let's say checking out the Microsoft account, and go for sign in with a local account instead, which is much more faster and is better when settings and files are automatically synced. And then you can manage all of those data directly inside here. Up to you. So your PC is now fast to get into the new desktop. If you're worried about the security now, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all this being said, well, we can all see you well next time.